Now, if you're thinking that simply by sharing this kind of drawing, how you can inspire some other people, then let me explain you that it's a proven system that when human mind get engaged in some creative process, their stress level get reduced at great extent. So when you are sharing this artwork on your social media platform, indirectly you are helping other people to reduce their stress level. So definitely you are doing great job, and then there might be some people who are thinking that, oh, we are not good in a drawing, we are so pathetic in a drawing. So let me clarify this, that this whole campaign is not set to show your expertise, your drawing or painting skill, but this is a platform created to showcase your courage, because when you are not good in a drawing, you need a lot of courage to experiment with this medium. And those who are really good at drawing, let's start and doing something very good artwork, share with other people, so other people will get inspired by just seeing your artwork. So this way you can inspire other people and give your donation of inspiration in Lita Fund. Now when you are sharing your artwork for the first time on your social media platform, then don't forget to put hashtag and mention Lita Fund, LITAFUND. And when you are submitting second or third artwork through your social media platform, then at that time you need to write your registration number at bottom of your artwork, then your country name on the right corner. And how you will get your registration number? So when you are putting your first post on your FB account, the Facebook account or Instagram account, and if it's get more than 50 likes, then you can fill up registration form, which is available on our website litafund.com. This link is available in the bottom of the description. You will find it in the end of video, and you have to submit your name, your email ID, contact number and URL of your post which get more than 50 likes. So once your registration form will be uploaded, you will submitted by you, our team will receive that form and will forward you registration number. So in the second, third and the next assignment, don't forget to mention your registration number, country, and at the top just mention litafund.com. A part of it, how you will share this assignment on your social media platform. Then for that you need to take two images. One of your artwork that will show only artwork, nothing else. And second, as a person you have to hold this paper and you have to take the whole photograph. So in this way you will click two photographs and you will share this two photographs along with our website link and the YouTube video links, which will inspire other people to follow the same process. And if you share this drawing on your Facebook account or Instagram, and if this get more than 50 likes, then don't wait for a long, just nominate yourself for award category. And to see how you just can register for the award category, just see our third video, which is available on our social media platform and website as well. So see you in the third video.